Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting now. Put the laptop to sleep or shut down briefly to remove power from the NIC and prevent accidental data activity. Once done, locate the RJ45 Ethernet port on the laptop edge and visually identify the plastic clip on the plug. Make sure the cable runs straight without kinks and clear anything that might catch it. Use your thumb and forefinger to grip the rigid connector body, not the cable jacket, so you won't stress the wire when you detach it. Next, press the plastic latch on the top of the connector firmly with your thumb so the locking tabs retract. You'll feel a small give as they clear the port. Once the clip is depressed, pull the connector straight out with a steady motion, aligned with the port's axis to prevent bending pins. If it resists, keep the clip depressed and wiggle the plug slightly back and forth while pulling. This reduces friction. Do not yank or angle the cable because that can damage the port or plug. After removal, inspect the laptop port and connector for bent pins or debris. Blow compressed air if there's dust and visually confirm pins line up. Make sure the freed cable is routed along a desk edge or secured with a tie to avoid accidental pulls next time. If networking fails after reseating, reboot the laptop and try reconnecting. If problems persist, swap in a known good cable or another port to isolate the fault. This helps determine whether the
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.